Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from your Revolut crypto wallet. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your Revolut account and then you're going to click crypto right there at the bottom. After that, you will see your portfolio and you want to go ahead and choose any cryptocurrency you want to go ahead and withdraw after you chose it. For example, for today, I'm just chose the Tether. You're gonna click on those three dots at the bottom. You're gonna see send option. You want to choose that. Now you're gonna add a wallet address where you want to withdraw your crypto to. You're gonna enter the wallet address. And after that, you can also choose a network. For example, for this one, it's Ethereum. And you want to go ahead, write down how much you want to go ahead and withdraw, review the transfer, and basically transfer and withdraw your crypto to another wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.